All right, in today's video, we're going to show you how to use the lot relocate function. We have a bulk option where you can select a location and then move everything scanned to that location, which makes it very convenient. So we're going to start out. You're going to go over to the recycling section, bulk relocate. Now the concept here is you're going to select either a location that exists, or you could scan the location if you want to quickly search it. Or if you have a QR code in the warehouse, you hit the blue icon at the bottom, hit scan. Otherwise, you could just say, hey, we're going to move everything into the red zone. So when I select the red zone, it's going to start asking me, hey, start scanning the item. So we're basically just going to start going through and scanning all these barcodes. So kind of as fast as you scan. In this case, we scanned 7 items. It's moving everything to the green zone. In order to kind of finalize it, you're going to hit relocate and then click the red button, and that's going to move everything at one time to that location. So if we do a move back, and let's say we're going to move it back to the green zone, we'll select it, and you'll see when we start scanning, the items are, you can see, in the red zone. So, you know, to be able to move things back and forth is a very convenient process. So once done, we'll just hit relocate and finalize the process. So that's how you do a bulk relocate using the app.